Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Canada Delite. My name is Shweta and I hope that you all are preparing well for your IELTS exam. We have seen a passionate response on our Facebook group and our YouTube channel as well. So guys, we have made a strategic plan for you all so that you can proceed easily for your IELTS preparation. Meanwhile, we are uploading videos regarding IELTS on regular basis. So, if you want to achieve your target band, I request you to subscribe to our channel and watch all the videos till the end so that you don't miss any important strategy. So guys, in this video, we are going to discuss the most challenging and confusing type of questions, that is the multiple choice questions in our listening module. These questions are actually a nightmare for most of the aspirants. But there is nothing to worry about. We'll definitely make sure that you excel in this section by our unique strategies. So let's begin.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Canada Delite. For more interesting videos, just stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
So guys, this is an example which I am going to solve for you today. But before solving it, I will share with you some unique strategies to just nail this section. During the recording, you will be given 30 seconds to go through these questions. Well guys, that 30 seconds is the golden period and you must make best use of it. In that period of time, you have to skim through all the questions and the answer choices quickly. At the time of skimming, what you have to do is you have to underline the keywords in the question as well as in the choices. Okay? And by keywords, what I mean is there will be some words which will give you most of the information about what they are asking. For instance, it can be a name, a place, etc. As we can see in question number 21, it says, one reason why Spiros felt happy about his marketing presentation was that. So in this line, we can mark the keywords. It can be the reason, okay, the name of the person, what he was feeling about happy, and what was the major reason to feel happy is marketing presentation. Okay, so these are the keywords in this question. The next strategy is circle the answer simultaneously as you listen to the recording. The information will be given in the same order as the questions, although the sequence of the answers can change. And the most important tip that I am going to share with you is that you have to be very careful when the speaker discuss one choice and then reject it. That's the most confusing part. Guys, don't leave any question unanswered as there is no negative marking. So just try to make a guess if in case any answer is missed. So guys, as we all are now familiar with the tips and tricks, I am going to solve this section using the strategies mentioned before.
Section 3. Two overseas students called Spiros and Hiroko have just finished the first semester of their university course. They are discussing with their English language teacher how they coped with the course. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 25. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 25.
Before we start, Spiros and Hiroko, thanks for coming in today to talk about your recent study experiences, and congratulations to you both in doing so well in your first semester exams.
Thank you.
I'd like to discuss with you the value of the English for Academic Purposes course you did here last year before starting your university course. Spiros, if I could start with you, what parts of the program have now proved to be particularly valuable to you?
I think that having to do a seminar presentation really helped me. For example, a couple of weeks ago in our marketing subject, when it was my turn to give a presentation, I felt quite confident. Of course, I was still nervous, but because I had done one before, I knew what to expect. Also, I know I was well prepared, and I had practiced my timing. In fact, I think that in relation to some of the other people in my group, I did quite a good job, because my overall style was quite professional. What about you, Hiroko?
That's interesting. In my group, I was really surprised by the way the students did their presentations. They just read their notes aloud. Can you believe that? They didn't worry about their presentation style or keeping eye contact with their audience. And I remember that these things were really stressed to us in the course here.
So, how did you approach your presentation, Hiroko?
Well, to speak frankly, I read my notes too. At the time, it was a relief to do it this way, but actually, when I had finished, I didn't feel any real sense of satisfaction. I didn't feel positive about the experience at all.
That's a pity. You know, although I was pleased with my presentation, I am not so pleased with my actual performance right now in e-tutorials. During the whole semester, I've not said anything in our tutorial discussions. Not a word.
Really, Spiros? Why's that? Do the other students talk too much?
It's partly that, but it's mostly because I have had no confidence to speak out. Their style of speaking is so different. It's not the style we were used to during the course. They use so many colloquialisms. They're not very polite, and sometimes there seems to be no order in their discussion. Also, they are very familiar with each other, so because they know each other's habits, they can let each other into the discussion.
You're right, Spiros. I've experienced that too.
So well, we are done with solving these questions. I have used the strategies and now I'll explain that how I have ended up answering these questions. In the first question, Spiros mentioned that he was still nervous. So our option A gets ruled out. Then he said that the presentation was better than other students. So he did not mention best. So our option C gets ruled out. So we are left with our option B. So B is the right answer. In the question number 22nd, Hiroko was talking about the other students' presentation. She said they didn't had an eye contact with the audience. C becomes our correct answer. Question number 23, Hiroko said she was not very satisfied from the presentation. So B becomes our answer. In question number 24, Spiros said that he was not very pleased by his performance in the tutorials. So our answer will be A, that is not very happy. You can see the B option is really pleased. So don't get confused by the word please. Sometimes you have to paraphrase and choose the right answer. A becomes our right answer. In question number 25, Spiros mentioned that the students participate easily in the discussion because he clearly said that they were not polite to each other. Then he mentioned clearly that they know each other well. So C becomes our answer. Well, that's all from my side. If you have any query regarding this section, you can post on our Facebook group or in the comment section below. Please do subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more informative videos. Bye.